Welcome to Duet Dance Studio online wedding dance program, and I'm your instructor CY. Before we go over any dance steps, let's begin with learning how to count and how to choose your first dance song. Do you have trouble finding the beats of a song? You're not alone. Many beginners find it difficult to find the beat. So to start, what is the beat of a song? Well, the beat of the song is similar to your heartbeat. It is a steady pulse that you can hear in a song. Some songs have faster or stronger beats than the others. Here's a simple exercise that will help you find the beat. To begin, you will need a piece of paper and a pen. I'm going to play a song that has a clear and strong beat, and I'll tap out the beat with my pen. Try to listen to the bass, and feel free to do this with me. So how did it go? Were you able to find the beats? If that didn't work, rewind and try it again. If you're ready, we can move on to a slightly faster song. Here we go. Another great exercise to practice finding the beat is to march to the beat. Let's try it with me. So now, once you can hear the beat of a song, we can find out the count of a song. Go back to your piece of paper and write down number 1 to 8. The reason we do this is because in dance, we usually count our music in sets of 8. Now we'll listen to the first song again. This time, we need to find out the count 1 in the song. The count 1 is usually the strongest beat, and it is the beginning of a new phrase. Now we are ready to choose a first dance song. If you have already chosen a first dance song, listen to the song and try to find the beat. If you have a difficult time finding a song for your wedding, no worries, we have created a list of first dance songs that will be perfect for your wedding. You can find the link in the description below. You can even sign up for our complete online wedding dance program on our website. Enjoy and have fun dancing!